We're gonna take lemons and turn it into lemonade. Some stuff got changed around with Marion this evening, and I wasn't able to make it. I was on my way, and the time got changed up, and I realized it would just be too much to try to keep hustling all the way down there and make it. So I said, screw it, I'm gonna turn around and go home. And then my buddy hit me up and said, hey, they're having this big grudge event at the local racetrack. I'm like, yeah, I don't really do prep stuff though. But I've got everything in the trailer and the car on the trailer and everything else anyway, so screw it, we'll head down there. I'm in the lanes right now. I took the bottle out because I wanted to let it warm up a little bit. So right now we're just gonna make a motor hit just to see what happens, shake it down, whatever you want to call it, whatever you want to do, and go from there. This will be my first hit on a prep track in this car, so should be a good time.
Well, there you have it. I made probably what was the worst motor pass I've ever made, but it happened. I'm not exactly sure what happened. I got in and I double bulbed him accidentally. I wasn't trying to do that, he's my boy. So then I got on the trans brake, but then the bottom bulb went out. So I sat there, and it red lit me. So they ended up backing me up and having to do it again. I'm not sure what happened. Maybe when I got on the trans brake, it rocked, and that's why. I don't even know. But that's enough motor passes. I got the bottle sitting in the sun. It refuses to warm up, so it's probably time to get some heat in it. Try this again. Well, there you have it. That is the fastest the car has ever gone. I'm not surprised. It's on a prep track. It should go the fastest it's ever gone. You know, like I said, no surprise there. fastest 60 foot, just about fastest everything. So what we're gonna do is probably something stupid. We're probably going to give it more nitrous. I don't know, I feel like I'm at the point now where it just is what it is. It's time to put the big shot in it and see what the hell happens. So let's try it, I think. So I kind of messed up. I forgot to bring my nitrous jets with me. They're at home. And unfortunately, I don't have the jets to put the really big shot. Oh. 6.7, I got 6.7. Oh, I got 6.766. But I didn't bring the nitrous jets, so somebody was kind enough, shout out Tom Lynch, to lend me a little bit larger nitrous jet just to kind of. The problem is when I put the nitrous jet in there, I undersized it a little bit because I wanted it to be a little fat because I was scared of blowing this really crappy motor up. But it's not really a crappy motor. It's doing me very well right now. That thing is nothing. So we upped the nitrous jet just a tiny bit, hopefully with the air temperature, a little more RPM off the launch. We'll see if we can hit a goal that I've been trying to hit with the car for, you know, I guess it's my first real goal with the car. So we're gonna try to see if we can do that tonight. They got a little track cleanup going on. It's gonna be a minute, so let's see what happens. Well, that didn't go as planned. I don't really know what happened there. As I got on the big end, probably right around the quarter, maybe crossing the quarter, the shutdown, whatever. Maybe the car came out of the groove a little bit, I don't know, but it got really loose and I was driving all over the place. Also, I didn't lift, so that didn't help either. I kept my foot planted in it because at first it didn't seem too bad, then it got pretty bad. I think that's when I ended up lifting. They even asked me at the end of the track if I hit the wall, which I did not. We're good. So, still went the fastest the car's ever gone. Did not hit my goal yet, but we are very dangerously close. So, I'm not sure that I'm gonna do anything more tonight. If I do anything more tonight, it'll probably only be to the 8th. Probably not gonna hit it to the quarter anymore. I just did it that time because I was racing my buddy Noah in the vet. He's a great dude, and I don't know. We weren't sure if we were going to the 8th or the quarter or whatever. He beat me to both, so it doesn't really matter, but I was running it out for the hell of it. So, we'll see. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but pulled up to the gas station here and noticed that the Nova is leaking. Looks like maybe it just blew out the gasket of the thermostat housing, but now it's got me questioning whether or not maybe I was driving through my own water at the big end, and maybe that's why it all got swirled. I still think there's a little steering issue there, but this would also make a lot of sense. Because imagine water under the tire at over 100 miles an hour, and then you drive it a little bit, might be what happened. And honestly, wouldn't be surprised. So we'll get that fixed up and get back to racing.